We are in Microsoft Word 2019, and let's take a look at how we can save a document, a Word document, as a PDF. So let's go back here, and let's go ahead and type in this is a document. All right, so if we want to save it, normally we'd use File, Save As, and we could choose our computer, and we'll just choose the desktop, make it easy. And by default, we can save this as a Word document. However, we want to save it as a PDF, so we'll go down to where it says PDF. Now we've got a lot of different options here. By default, we've got the standard option, which is going to automatically save it in a normal fashion using all of the different options, such as you're going to be able to print it, publish it, and it's going to look exactly as it looks in your Word document for the most part. Minimum size does things a little differently. It allows the publishing online, but doesn't necessarily allow you to print it the way you maybe you would like to, but it uses a much smaller size. Now, you also have the option here to open the file after publishing, which we're going to go ahead and choose. If we click on options, we also have some additional options. So at the top, we see the page range. If you don't want to save the entire Word document as a PDF, let's just say you want to do current page or specific pages, you can do that just like as if you were going to print it. And of course, under Publish What, we're publishing the document. And really, when we say publish, it's just saving the document. They're just using the terminology publish. And then we have under include non-printing information, document properties, document structure tags. If you don't want that information in there, you can just go ahead and uncheck it, and it certainly won't hurt anything. And we also have the option to encrypt the document with a password. So if you want to do that, to add security to it, you can as well. We'll go ahead and click OK, and we'll click Save. And then what will happen is we'll have our document open up in our PDF reader, which is exactly what we have here. And if we close it, and we close Word, then we can see our document there is a PDF. If we want to go back in and edit it, we can just right-click on it, choose Open With, Word. If you double-click on it, it will just open up whatever your default reader is. And when we do that, we click OK to allow it to convert, and now we can go ahead and make changes to our document. Now, if we want to save that again, we have to save it as a PDF once again. So that's how we can save a Word document as a PDF in Word 2019.